how to buy the RBNT or REDBELLY network blockchain token. Now, before we start, this is not a financial advice. I am not a professional or economic expert. So before investing in any project that you find on my channel, please do your own research. Now, how to buy this token? So first of all, take a look on their X account. They have a big community. Now after that, go and you will find the token in the mix. See? So you need to have an account on it. So as you can see, after you find your token, as you can see from here, you can buy it. You can select limit and now set the price that you want to buy with. For example, $100. Now the amount, stop here or just drag this to be able to set how much you want to buy. Now if you select market, now you will be able to set the price from here, as you can see, and now you will be able to buy this token from here. So this is the only way to buy this token. It's from the Mixi. So this is how to buy the RBNT or REDBELLY network blockchain. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. See you in the next video.